Okay, how does this thing work?
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive.
I love my dress.
'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat? So I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
I, Jonathan,
I, Jules,
take thee, Jules,
take thee, Jonathan,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
according to God's holy ordinance.
And there I do give my pledge.
Your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat? So I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
When I arrived here 2 weeks ago, I met Jonathan for the first time, and I knew instantly he was going to be a very valuable part of our family, that they were definitely meant for each other.
Jules, you've always walked with God and walked in His plan and purpose for your life. This is certainly His plan and purpose for your life, your marriage to Jonathan.
John, I'm happy that you found someone to give you the happiness and purpose that you've given everyone else.